So it finally happened. As of October 2025, Microsoft officially killed support for Windows 10. No more security updates, no more patches, and definitely no new features. So does this mean you gotta throw away your perfectly good laptop or spend hundreds of dollars on new PC just to turn Windows 11 on? The answer is absolutely not. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to keep using Windows 10 safely in 2026. We're gonna stop those annoying full screen pop-ups, secure your browser, and harden your PC against attacks. Let's pick this. First, let's deal with most annoying part. Microsoft trying to force you to upgrade. If your PC is old, you probably see full screen warning telling your PC is at risk. We can turn this off. Just open the start menu and search for Reg Edit and hit enter, and here we go. Click on yes to proceed. We're gonna make a small tweak to registry. Navigate to this path. HQ local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows, Windows Update. And here if you can find Windows Update, you're gonna create a folder here. Right click on Windows and choose new, and here choose key, and here it is. Put the name as Windows Update, and here it is. Just click on it, and now we're gonna create a new keyword value called target release version. Right click on here, click on new, and choose keyword 32-bit value, and put the name as target release version. Put them here. Put the name as just like this, T, R, and V in capital, and rest of all are in small. Now just double tap in here and replace the 0 to 1 and click on OK. Now it's activated. This tells Microsoft I'm happy where I am, leave me alone. I put the full path in the video description below so you can copy and paste it. Now just click on File and Exit. Now it's done. Okay, now the pop-ups are gone. But what about hackers? Since Microsoft isn't patching security hole anymore, if a new virus comes out tomorrow, Windows Defender might not catch it immediately. Your biggest weakness is your web browser. 90% of your malware comes from the internet. You need to stop using Google Chrome or Edge without protection. I recommend switching to Brave browser or Firefox and strictly installing uBlock Origin extension. This blocks the malicious scripts that Windows 10 can no longer defend against. Think of this as your new firewall. If you use a PC for banking or work, you need something stronger. There is a service called OPatch. That's Zero Patch. These guys are third-party security experts who write micro patches for Windows 10 even after Microsoft stopped. It basically injects security fixes into your system without restoring. They have a free version and a pro version. For 2026, this is the best way to keep an old OS to live support. Look, eventually you need to upgrade to Windows 11 or maybe switch into Linux. But for now, if you follow these tips, your Windows 10 machine is safe for another year. If you want to know how to force install Windows 11 on this old computer anyway, click this video right here. I'll show you how to bypass the CPU requirements. Thanks for watching Tech Sudama. Don't forget to subscribe for more real tech fixes. See you in the next one.